There's like debris everywhere. Oh my god.
Okay.
Wait till I show this video. All the, oh my gosh.
That.
Oh my gosh.
Get a couple stills. There's no power out here still.
No, I know. People are moving out.
They're probably putting this in storage.
That's what I would do.
It's wet. Wow, this is bad.
Oh my god.
It's flooded.
Oh yeah. Look at, oh my gosh. All these houses. Look down the street. Woo. Oh my god. This is horrible. No
I
power.
almost lost everything.
People don't understand how serious this is.
No one's reporting.
This should be going on a website.
I'll put your airport.
Still no power. Fire trucks. No gas.
This is what's gonna look like when the apocalypse hits. The first couple days.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so much worse.
Let me put this on this side.
There's medical care.
See, we could have been dropping off stuff on the way here, you know what I mean?
Places got robbed and stuff.
I'm sure. Don't lose sight of that Jetta.
People are helping. Oh my god. Tents and everything. Buses for people to sleep.
Nothing.
Yeah. This is crazy. The mobile mart. Oh my gosh. This is where it really hit.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all trying to help fix it.